Why does my head hurt? Hey guys, you're watching QDCrafts. Long time no see. I've been locked away in my dorm room for the past 2 months to do my midterms and just survive university. Today I wanted to show you guys some really simple and cute Halloween Perler Bead headbands that I wanted to make because I haven't really celebrated Halloween in a long time. Every year I always go as the same thing, so that's why I decided to make some really simple and kind of subtle Perler Bead costumes. It's just a headband, it just goes on your head. So all you'll need for this are your Perler Bead supplies, and if you have headbands lying around, that would be great. Then you don't have to go to the store, but I'm sure you can get them at Walmart or from the dollar store. Before I show you the first headband, I'm going to show you what inspired this one. I actually have this app called Snow that has these filters, and a lot of them are really cute. They have pixel filters. So this is the first headband that I'll be making inspired by this snow filter. It's a cute little cat ears. You can't see it here, but you can see it here in the cell phone. Yeah, okay. Let's get started. Here I'm making the template for both the left and the right ears. I just started off with a black outline and filled it in with some pink and white beads. I wanted it to have a shiny finish, so I used the artkal ironing film and my iron set at number 3 to fuse the beads together. Then I did the same on the other side. After it cools, just make another one and you'll have your left and right cat ears. I got a black headband to match my hair color, and I positioned the ears to the approximate spot I want it to be, and then I used my hot glue to glue it into place. To make sure it's tight on the headband, fill in any gaps with glue so that it will stay stuck on it and you can not worry about it while you're out during Halloween. This is the first headband that I made. It's the cat ears, and you just, not bad, right? It's kind of, I feel like I could have made them go a little bit further apart, but it's, you can still tell they're cat ears. Or does this look like a cat? Hopefully it does. Maybe once I draw on the whiskers. So for this one, you'll need to draw on a pixel whisker and nose. I don't have any makeup that I can put on my face. Like I have a marker, that's it. I don't know if this is safe for your face, but it says washable and it's kid safe, so I'm gonna go with this because I don't have time to buy makeup and I don't really care. So I'm using my filter again just to have a reference of what I should look like. Here, let me show you. Can you see that? Hold on. Well, you get the idea. There's like these whiskers that I'm gonna be following, and you kind of just draw like a pixel. Oh my god, I've never done makeup before, so like, how do people draw on their own face or like do stuff on their face? You might want to get someone to help you if you want this to look good. I don't really mind as long as you can tell it's a cat. So there, that looks like a cat nose. And then, oh, this is hard. How do you draw pixelized whiskers? So you just do little squares, I guess, and then I'll be back and I'll show you the final result. Huh? That's not bad. Hey, look, am I a beauty guru now? I have these like little pixel whiskers. You can tell it looks squarish, so that's the closest I can get to a pixelized look, and yeah, I'm a pixel cat. I don't care if this kind of costume is really considered basic, but it's cute. I like it. It's simple. It's not like too over the top. Pretty like convenient if you're not feeling like wearing your costume anymore, just take off the ears, and yeah, I'm happy with this one. First costume looking pretty good already. I mean, if you want to make it better, like you could wear something else, like maybe, I I don't know, I'm just wearing a hoodie with this, but you can just wear anything that makes you feel like a cat. So that is how you do this look. Just do the ears and then get, like, I would suggest getting actual makeup to do this, but this works really well too, and I have so much respect for those makeup artists who draw on their face with so much detail. Like, this was so difficult to do. I kept shaking while trying to do this. Let's see how this compares to the original. Oh, okay, yeah. Looks pretty similar, huh? If you don't want to draw on the whiskers and you just want to take a nice picture with the ears, then there's actually another filter, I think, just for the whiskers. Let me see if I can do that one. See, now if I just wanted to take a picture, I didn't have to draw on the whiskers. I could have just used this filter and the ears match with it pretty well. Yay! And yeah, now you can be a cat. This next project, I used a Minecraft sword template and I made each of the pixels 4 beads so that it will be pretty big. For this one, I used artkal beads because they have more shades of gray so that you can make it a little bit different on the blade end. The blade was a bit too long at first, so I took away some beads and found the perfect length for it. You can adjust this according to what you'd prefer. And just like the cat ears, I used ironing film and my iron set at 3 to fuse all the beads together on both sides. With another headband, I positioned the sword so that it looks like it's slanted into a head, and I used lots and lots of hot glue to put this one in place. Here is the Minecraft sword one now. You can see that it's super shiny because of the ironing film. I don't know, maybe I could do like this so it look scarier. Oh. Ah. Ouch. So now you can walk around school and it looks like there's a Minecraft sword stuck in your head. It's kind of like King Arthur who can pull it out. It looks really good with the black hoodie because the headband is black, so that looks pretty good. I like it. This one is awesome too. The last one is a sprout, and this was inspired by an Asian trend where people would put a single hair clip that has a sprout coming out of it so that it looks like there's something growing out of people's heads. Yeah, I don't understand either, but it's cute. So this is what I started the sprout off as, and I changed it up until I liked it, and this is the one I used. You guys should know the ironing process by now, and if you don't, you should check out my How I Iron Perler Beads video. And this is my sprout. You could also use this as a top leaf of a fruit or vegetable. And this goes right in the middle of the headband. Last but not least, this is the sprout headband. Out of all of them, this one is my favorite, even though it's kind of small and you might not tell what it is. It's really subtle and I just think it's so cute. It's like a little, you're like a plant. I'm a tomato. Look, I'm a tomato. Hold on. There, see, now I look like a vegetable or some sort of plant. My school is kind of like big on agriculture, so I think all of the farmers here will appreciate this one. Alright guys, so that's it for my quick last minute Halloween Perler Bead headbands video. There are definitely endless possibilities with these headbands. You can do so many different things with your beads and just stick them onto any headband to make a cute little costume, even though I don't know if this would be considered a costume. It's just like an accessory. So if you have any different ideas, I definitely encourage you to try it. Just be creative. Creativity, think outside the box. And if you do make some cool headbands, don't forget to tag me at QDCrafts on Twitter or Instagram so that I can see it and give it a like. Speaking of likes, don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe, comment if you haven't already, and turn on that notification bell so that you will not miss any of my new videos, because I will make sure that I post more once I finish those exams. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you have a safe Halloween, and I'll see you guys next time with another QDCraft. Bye!